Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Harry once again with another repair from Appliance DIY Repairs. Today we are working on a General Electric top-load washing machine, and the problem with this one is that it's making a grinding noise. So let's press start and show you what it's doing. So give it a second. So right now, got the machine filling up with water. We got the clothes. And let's see what it does. Okay, so we're adding water to it, and I don't know if you can hear the noise. So the noise is coming in from the side, and it seems to be when it turns that it's making the noise. So we need to gain access to see what's going on. What you need to do to gain access, you need to remove this front cover. And what you do with the flat blade, you press in here, and it's going to release the clip, and you can pull out. I had already done it, but there's another clip in here. There's two metal clips, and they go grabs onto here. So you press in and release it, and then you can pull out. Then you can just go ahead and remove up and out of the way. And that is what it's gonna release the cover to the front of the machine, so you can access inside and see what is going on. Alrighty, so I went ahead and grabbed a flashlight so we can see what's going on. And the problem is right down here. Is that the shocks are worn out. I'll show you shocks right now. And when it's loaded with water, when this shock, the top comes down, and this wheel right here is grinding against the metal right here. And that's why it's making all this noise. So the repair for this machine is going to be to replace the 4 shocks. There's 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And that is what the fix to this machine is. As you can see, the water line is about right here. So usually water comes all the way up to about here. So it is very, very heavy. And let me show you. If, for example, I was to lift up the machine, you see how it stops? But when it drops, it starts again. See? So the problem is going to be your shocks right here. Hope this video helps. I will leave the model number for this machine, and that way you can look at it. Also, this machine, in this case, the little support just go in here. We just saw it right now. A rip is ready to go up in here. I'll show you the other side. See right here. So this machine would also need the little support struts right here. One of them, at least one. So we're looking at 4 shocks and a little support. Alright everybody, hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family if it helps. and at least you know what to do to fix your machine. Thank you.